Alright, that's on the tanks. Let's get this party started. We're gonna go twice.
I'm not sure why I did that. I clicked it once.
4, 3,
What do you mean we're going twice?
1.
I hit your feather, sorry.
I'll forgive you this time.
I tried to do it on purpose.
Yeah, I try to steal.
He's up on engineer on skull side.
I mean, he's got no...
Why is anybody on it?
Alright, one more bomb, then we kill him. Oh, I got it. Go ahead and kill him.
Okay, we didn't get our side.
What happened to the big bag of bombs?
We got it. You gotta kill the engineer for big bag bombs. I think there's only 3 bombs in it on this size.
Alright, operators needs to die.
The yellow stuff on the ground is good for you, by the way.
Our side's closed.
Alright, let's move. Alright, they're in the shield.
They're all in the shield. Like every single one of them. Just
Well, they
stack them
won't
in the
come
shield.
out of it.
Alright, I'm bringing fixate.
So we're cleaning up the ads before the last kill.
Yeah.
Fire callers at least.
There's gonna be an engineer back here. Avoid. Okay, avoid the bag in the back.
Alright, get ready. Go.
Oh yeah, I changed that. Don't stand in rupture when you're channeling. It hits
Bad
hard.
idea.
That's fine.
Don't stand in fire. That's always good. This is not blue team.
Bring him a fixate over.
It was a close kill. Here we go.
Fire call.
Fixate over here, I think. Or it's supposed to be.
Yeah, get the fixate on X if we can. Get some more fire car up.
One's not moving over here. There it goes.
You have to interrupt.
Close enough?
Yep, here we go.
Hold on, I had
go.
rupture.
Getting my face beat in.
Alright, kill it, kill it, kill it.
Now Trish is.
Alright, good.
I'm good.
Or Curie, sorry.
Alright, fire call.
I have fixate.
I've got a fixate. Should I bring it in? Are we good?
Bring it in.
There is a fire caller up in the back by Elves.
A couple of them.
I'm trying.
I'm on one up.
Elemental on the thing.
Get off the fire collars.
Yep, he's down enough.
Which slag are we doing?
Over the skull.
Alright, he's popping, go. I've got an add-on.
Guys, don't worry about the ads so much if they're just fire crawlers.
No, it's the big dudes. The ones that actually hurt when they punch me in the face like this.
Go stand everybody else then. If you have an add-on, you go to the tanks.
Guys down.
I've got a slag on me, so do you want me to go over there?
No. Clean up ads. This is where we want to clean up ads. Kill the Felspar, and then the fire callers. So kill fire caller.
Felspar is dead.
Sid, I don't know where you are.
He's by me. In the
Use
corner.
personals if you need them.
By Orin.
Oh, he might be too. Okay, good.
Alright, someone bring one over there. I see the fire crawler's dying. Who's got a fixate?
Carry.
Alright, bring yours over there.
Jan does.
Alright, I got mine over here.
There we go.
It's dead.
Okay, on the elementalist.
Froyo, how's your mana?
I'm at 40%. Without popped yet.
I go ahead and pop now.
Pop a small cooldown if you need to. And you get him dead.
I'm gonna do it in a sec.
The elemental that's by green is the one that's got carry fixated.
It's alright. We got our bubble popped.
It's gonna die.
Tanks be ready.
Get ready for fire collar cleanup.
Okay, alright, clean up all ads. And move to your spot. Why did taunt not work? Taunt him goes.
Oh god.
I gotcha.
I got him.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't know why my taunt didn't work. Well, now I have him. What the heck?
He's in a shield.
Boss is fine.
Call it when you want to hear it.
3, 2, 1, hero.
Fixate's still on carry, by the way.
It's gonna be on you till that guy's up. We're not focusing on killing those little guys.
Melt, move.
We need to taunt,
Yeah,
don't we?
by
Calman's
once or
taking a
feet.
lot of damage.
Yeah, taunt else.
Yeah.
Fix it on Jan.
Wait, why do I have
Don't
him
worry about
back?
fix it.
How did I get him
Get
back?
Talman up.
Get him up.
Get him up quick.
Him up. Amp.
Free hero for Tal.
Fox out.
Taking boss.
Move.
Tanks move.
You're still leaving real estate back there. Don't move too much.
Yeah, you're moving a little too far now.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, get used to it.
Keep this going, guys. We got this.
Okay, taunt.
Everyone used their pots, right?
Yep.
Move mushroom melt.
Vision Froyo. we're getting a little tight. Let's get a little more room, please.
Taking boss.
Him.
Oh, fine.
I just had.
Well,
there
we
was
should be
melt
able to get him
everywhere.
up.
Keep going.
Ken? Well, no, because tries are only B red.
Keep going. You got 13%. You got this.
It's got 8 minutes.
Oh, yeah. He's at 100% heat.
4%.
I gotta fixate him.
Oh, so close.
Stay
So close.
Yeah,
Stay focused.
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet!
Nice job, guys.
Oh, and not even my leg token.
Not even mine either. Some nice wrists, though.
Yeah, gold roll. Woo.
I win.
That's the first time you killed him, Trizera?
Yes.
Like, ever?
Like ever.
Alright, I'm gonna do the legs first, guys.
1 out of 10, baby.
Pally, Priest, Warlock. Roll for legs.